Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Financial Wealth. If you are watching our video first time, please consider subscribing our channel on YouTube. Now our today's video, it is regarding the second round of PPP loan. This is the second round of Paycheck Protection Loan Program. Now we know that the second stimulus check has been approved, and part of the second stimulus check package, we also getting the help on the Paycheck Protection Program loan as well. And this is going to be PPP Loan 2.0. After a long delay and a discussion, Congress finally agreed to approve a $900 billion COVID-19 relief package as part of the second stimulus package. The COVID-19 relief package is also cover the $284 billion of second round of Paycheck Protection Program loan. This package covers a variety of different areas to help our businesses in this difficult time. It covers additional funding for the new PPP loans called second PPP round. It also covers the loan eligibility for the section 501c6, which is not for profit organization for the first time. It is also covered the 15 billion for it is also covered the 15 billions of live venues, independent movie theater and cultural institutions. And it also covered $20 million worth of economic injury disaster loan payment, which is known as the EDIL grant. While based on the similar principle as the first round of PPP funding under the CARES Act, the second round of PPP loan, it is limited. It has a limited eligibility for second round of PPP loans. The second round of PPP loans are available to borrower that previously received a PPP loan. Second row of PPP loans are limited to the business that has employed no more than 300 employees, which is down from the 500 in the previous package, or meet an alternative size of standard, like those who have used the entire amount of their first PPP loan or will use the such amount and had a gross receipt of Q1 to Q3 in 2020 that were at least has a 25% of reduction of comparison of gross receipt with the 2019 quarter. So basically you take any quarter of your 2019 income and compare them with the 2020 income. If your gross receipt has a 25% of reduction, and if you have a 300 and a less employee, that means you are basically qualified for the second PPP loan, second PPP loan help. Now, the second thing is the eligibility for the Section 501c6 not-for-profit organization. For the first time, Section 501c6 not-for-profit organization will be eligible to apply for and receive the PPP loan. This organization generally consists of a business league, chambers of commerce, real estate board, boards of trade, and a professional football league, which are not organized for profit and no part of the net earning of which incur to the benefit of the private shareholder and an individual, right? And these organizations are generally expected to be eligible as long as they can meet certain conditions, and the conditions are they do not receive more than 15% of their received from lobbying activities. Lobbying activities do not compromise more than 15% of the organization total activities. The cost of the lobbying activity did not exceed $1 million during the tax year ending February 15, 2020. And the last condition is the organization does not employ more than 300 employees. So they do want to support this time non-profit organization, but they do have certain conditions for that. Those who meet all these conditions will qualify for the PPP, second PPP round package. PPP loan in bankruptcy. It is a significant change. Borrowers in bankruptcy will be eligible to apply for the PPP loans. These new loans will be treated in the borrower's bankruptcy case as an administration claim, and to the extent not forgiven, must be paid in full in any Chapter 11 cases and are not subject to cram down. So seems like the PPP loan in a bankruptcy, they're trying to help those area as well. They might get eligible as well, but they need to meet the certain criteria. Maximum loan amount. So borrowers of the second draw PPP loan have an option to calculate the maximum loan amount by multiplying the borrower's average total monthly payroll in the 1 year period to the date on which the loan is made, calendar year 2019, by 2.5 times. So maybe you can put together all your payroll cost and multiply them by 2.5 times, and you could be eligible for that amount on this part of the PPP2 loan program. The maximum loan amount has been reduced from 10 million in the first round to 2 million. Similar to the first round, seasoned employers calculate their maximum loan amount differently. Note that the 2 million cap does not apply to the first time borrowers. That cap remain as a $10 million. So as an example, if you have a business, you already received, let's say, $500,000 or $1 million in the first PPP program, you do have some sort of cap, right? Those businesses already received the loan, they cannot really reapply, and they cannot really get more than 2 million as part of the second round. But those who are applying first time, you still have the cap for the 10 million. So you can still eligible for more than $2 million loan, part of the second PPP loan program. Now, maximum loan amount for the hospitality industry. Borrowers of the second draw PPP loan that have NAICS code 72, typically it includes the restaurants and the hotel, would be an 8-week period beginning on the date the borrower received the loan proceeds. As part of the new amendment, the cover period was expanded to 24 weeks. Borrowers are now able to choose the length of their cover period up to 8 weeks or maximum 24 weeks. So basically you can calculate like what is your impact, and you can cover up to 24 weeks to cover the PPP loan help. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you find the useful information in this video. I'm still planning to make another video, another extended video on this video, which will cover actually who can qualify, how you can qualify for this loan, and basically what are the area where you can able to spend this PPP loan money in order to get the forgiveness 100%. So wait for my second video as well, and I will come back with the more info. Till then, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.